Welcome, welcome to Achiever tutorial friends. Today we are going to continue again with the classification of soil. Now, under the classification of soil, today we are going to talk about the forest soil. Now, forest soil. This soil are found in the hilly and mountainous area where sufficient rainforests are available. So this type of soil is mostly found in the hilly and mountainous region where rainforests are available in abundance. Now, the soil texture varies according to the mountainous environment where they are formed. नाउ यहाँ पे जो सॉइल का टेक्सचर जो रहेगा वो डिपेंड करेगा कि किस टाइप की माउंटेनियस एनवायरनमेंट में वो फॉर्म हो रहा है. नाउ दे आर लूमी एंड सिल्टी इन वैली साइड्स एंड कोर्स ग्रेन इन द अपर स्लोप्स. तो ये आपको लूमी और सिल्टी मिलेगा वैली के साइड्स में. साइड इन द साइड्स ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द वैली द सॉइल विल बी क्वाइट सिल्टी एंड लूमी. सिल्टी मतलब सैंडी टाइप का रहेगा और लूमी मतलब जो है काफ़ी उसके अंदर जो ह्यूमस कंटेंट जो रहेगा वो ज़्यादा रहेगा. और कोर्स ग्रेन का मतलब होता है रफ़ होना. अपर स्लोप्स में रिवर के वैली के अपर स्लोप्स में जो है ये सॉइल जो रहेगा वो काफ़ी रफ़ टाइप में टेक्सचर जो रहेगा उसका रफ़ रहेगा. नाउ इन द स्नो कवर्ड एरियाज ऑफ हिमालयाज दिस सॉइल एक्सपीरियंस डिनोडेशन एंड एसिडिक विद द लो ह्यूमस कंटेंट. तो आप जब हिमालयंस रीजन में देखोगे इस सॉइल को तो वहाँ के जो सॉइल जो है वहाँ पे डिनोडेशन उसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है और एसिडिक होता है और साथ ही साथ उसके अंदर ह्यूमस कंटेंट जो रहता है वो काफ़ी कम रहता है. डिनोडेशन मतलब होता है इरोजन ऑफ द सॉइल बिकॉज ऑफ द मूवमेंट ऑफ द नेचुरल फोर्सेस लाइक वाटर, स्नो एंड मैनी अदर रीजन. Now, the soil found in the lower parts of the valley, particularly on the river terrace and alluvial points, are fertile. So, the fine soil which is found in the lower parts of the region, and especially on the river terraces and on the alluvial fans, they are quite very fertile. Now, what do we mean by river terrace and the river fans? That I will explain you in the end of the lecture. Next, arid soils. Arid soils range from red to brown in color. So there are two types of colors of the arid soil, that is one is red and one is brown. They are generally sandy in texture. The texture of the arid soil is quite sandy and saline. Now in some areas the soil content is very high, the salt content is very high and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. So in the some region the content of the salt in the soil is quite very high. So because of which we can obtain the common soil by evaporating the water from the soil. Next, due to the dry climate, high temperature, evaporation is faster and the soil lacks humus and moisture. Yes, because of the dry climate and high temperature, the evaporation rate from the soil is quite very high. So because of which the soil lacks humus and moisture. Humus का मैंने already आपको meaning बता दिया है कि जहाँ पे जिसके अंदर डेड लीव प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स का जो कंटेंट जो रहता है वो कम हो तो उसको हम ह्यूमस बोलते हैं. द लोअर होराइजन ऑफ द सॉइल of the soil are occupied by canker because of the increasing calcium content downward. Now in the lower horizon of the soil or in the lower layer of the soil, the lower layer of the soil is much occupied by the conquered. So because of the increasing calcium content downward. So because of the calcium content in the soil, in the lower region of the soil, the calcium content is quite high. The lower region of the soil is quite made of conker. Next, the conker layer formation in the bottom horizon restrict the infiltration of water. After proper irrigation, this soil become cultivable as has been in the case of western Rajasthan. So this conker layer, because this conker layer is formed in the lower horizon, the infiltration of the water into the soil is quite less. Infiltration means the water carrying capacity of the upper soil is quite less because of the conker region in between. After proper irrigation, this soil becomes cultivable and has been in the case of western Himalayas. So when we properly irrigate that particular region, the soil becomes cultivable and we can use it, and the example of which we can find it in the western Rajasthan. Next, now soil erosion and soil conservation. The denudation of the soil cover and subsequent water down is described as the soil erosion. तो सॉइल कवर, जब सॉइल का कवर धीरे धीरे कम होते जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द डेन्यूडेशन और वॉशिंग डाउन ऑफ द सॉइल बिकॉज ऑफ द डाउनवर्ड फ्लोइंग ऑफ द रिवर, जिसके कारण जो है सॉइल इरोजन होता है. नाउ द प्रोसेस ऑफ सॉइल फॉर्मेशन एंड इरोजन गो ऑन साइमल्टेनियसली एंड जनरली देयर इज बैलेंस बिटवीन द टू. So generally you will find that the soil erosion and the soil formation is taking place at the is taking place simultaneously, because of which there is a balance between the two. But sometimes due to the human intervention in the form of what? In the form of deforestation, overgrazing, construction and mining activities, this natural forces or the natural forces like wind, glacier and water lead to soil erosion. So because of the human intervention, this balance between the two, that is the formation and the soil erosion cycle, gets disturbed, and the erosion takes place at a much faster rate than usually. Now, the running water cuts through the clayey soils and make deep channels as gullies. The land becomes unfit for cultivation and is known as badland. So, the water cuts down the soil in two parts and creates a channel between it, which is known as, which we call it as gullies, and because of which that particular region becomes unusable, or we cannot use that land, it becomes unfit for the cultivation. Next. Now, plying along the contour lines can decelerate the flow of water down the slope. This is called contour ploughing. Steps can be cut out on the slopes, making terraces. Terrace cultivation restricts erosion. Western and central Himalaya have well-developed terrace farming. Now here I have given you one image so you can better understand what does we mean by contour ploughing or terrace cultivation. So we cut the whole of the mountain into different slopes, into different layers, because of which the flowing down of the water from the slopes gets reduced to a considerable extent. Since if the water is not flowing down at a much faster rate, then obviously the soil erosion will be less because of the flowing down of the water. So this type of farming or this type of plowing by cutting the land or by cutting the slope into different layers is known as contour plowing or terrace cultivation. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रिप फार्मिंग. स्ट्रिप फार्मिंग मतलब यहाँ पे जो है आप जो है कल्टिवेबल लैंड पे छोटे छोटे प्लांट ट्रीज़ की जो है स्ट्रिप्स बना दोगे, जिसके कारण रिवर्स विंड का जो फ्लो है फ्लोइंग कैपेसिटी है जो वो कम हो जाएगी. अब विंड की फ्लोइंग कैपेसिटी जो है कम हो जाएगी तो उसके कारण जो है सॉइल इरोजन भी कम होगा. अब विंड से सॉइल इरोजन कैसे होता है? जब विंड बहुत तेज़ी से बहती है तो वो जो अपर लेयर ऑफ सॉइल जो है वो उसको भी अपने साथ उड़ा के लेके चली जाती है, जिसके कारण सॉइल इरोजन जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो जाता है. अब शेल्टर बेल्ट इज़ ऑल्सो क्वाइट सिमिलर टू द स्ट्रिप फार्मिंग. इन शेल्टर बेल्ट द बिग ट्रीज आर बीइंग प्लांटेड ऑन द बॉर्डर ऑफ द कल्टिवेबल लैंड. बॉर्डर्स के ऊपर इसकी ट्रीज प्लांट किए जाते हैं, जिसके कारण क्या होता है, विंड की फ्लोइंग कैपेसिटी कम हो जाती है उस पर्टिकुलर रीजन में, और जो सॉइल इरोजन जो है वो भी जो है काफ़ी कम हो जाता है. इस टाइप की चीज़ जो है आप सैंड ड्यून्स जो रहते हैं जैसे वेस्टर्न राजस्थान में जो है इसका काफ़ी इस्तेमाल किया गया है शेल्टर बेल्ट का, जिसके कारण जो है डेजर्ट की जो ग्रोइंग कैपेसिटी जो हो रही, जिस तरीके से डेजर्ट्स राजस्थान में फैल रहा था वो जो है काफ़ी कम हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द शेल्टर बेल्ट. अब मैंने आपको फर्स्ट स्लाइड में आपको एलुवियल फैन के बारे में बताया था. यहाँ पे देखो, वैली इज़ फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी नैरो रीजन बिटवीन द टू माउंटेन्स. तो व्हेन द वाटर विल कम आउट फ्रॉम अ वेरी नैरो ओपनिंग between the two mountains, which is there between the two mountains, the water will come down in this forms. The water will come down from that valley in a fan like form. So this is known as alluvial fan. The soil which is there in this alluvial fan is quite very fertile. So this is what we call as alluvial fan. Now river terrace. Now here we can see that there is a downward erosion of the land. So because of the downward erosion of the land, the whole of the plain or the whole of the plain is getting cut into different layers. So this different layers is known as young terrace, or this different layer is known as river terrace. Earlier the river used to flow from the older terrace, but due to the downward erosion of the land, the whole of the land is getting cut into different layers, because of which these terraces are formed. So this is what we called as river terrace. So thank you friends, hope you like the lecture. Here we have completed your first chapter of geography. Stay home, stay safe.